Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set app notification alerts to silent in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to set the app notification alerts to silent. Now after opening the app, click on notifications, and to set the app notification alerts to silent, go to the alerts section and select silent. And after selecting silent, the app notification alerts will be set to the silent. So that's how you can set app notification alerts to silent in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.